Airbnb has become a household name in the realm of accommodation. The platform has revolutionized the way people travel and has given hosts the opportunity to earn extra income by renting out their properties. Whether you're a seasoned host or considering listing your property on Airbnb, one important aspect to consider is insurance. What insurance do you need as an Airbnb host, and how can you protect your property and guests? In this video, we will explore the various types of insurance coverage that are essential for Airbnb hosts. Airbnb's Host Guarantee. Airbnb offers a host protection program known as the Airbnb Host Guarantee. This program provides coverage for damages to your property caused by guests, up to a maximum of $1 million. However, it's important to understand that this is not a comprehensive insurance policy. The host guarantee has several limitations, including: it doesn't cover personal liability. It may not cover damage caused by pets, ordinary wear and tear, or certain specific items such as cash, collectibles, and jewelry. It doesn't protect against injuries or accidents that occur on your property. While the host guarantee can provide some peace of mind, it's not a substitute for a full-fledged insurance policy. You should consider other insurance options to complement this protection. Liability Insurance. Liability insurance is crucial for Airbnb hosts. It covers you in case a guest is injured while on your property and holds you responsible for their injuries. Liability insurance can also protect you in the event of a lawsuit related to property damage or injuries sustained by guests. This type of insurance typically covers legal fees, medical expenses, and any settlements or judgments against you. Your existing homeowners or renters insurance might provide some level of liability coverage, but it's important to check with your insurance provider. In many cases, you'll need to purchase additional coverage specifically for short-term rentals like Airbnb. If your current insurance policy doesn't offer this coverage, consider getting a separate liability insurance policy for your hosting activities. Property Insurance. Property insurance, also known as landlord insurance, is designed to protect your property itself. This coverage typically includes protection against damage or loss due to events such as fire, theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. It can also provide coverage for your personal belongings inside the property, such as furniture and appliances. If you rent out your entire property on Airbnb, it's essential to have property insurance to safeguard your investment. Be sure to inform your insurance provider about your intention to use your property as a short-term rental, as you may require a policy tailored to this use case. Commercial Host Insurance. Commercial host insurance is a specialized type of insurance designed for individuals who frequently rent out properties on platforms like Airbnb. It offers comprehensive protection for hosts, covering everything from property damage to liability claims. This type of insurance is often the most comprehensive option for Airbnb hosts and can provide peace of mind for those who rent out their properties on a regular basis. Commercial host insurance is more expensive than traditional homeowners or renters insurance, but it's a wise investment if you're committed to hosting on Airbnb. The coverage can vary widely, so be sure to review the terms, limits, and deductibles to find a policy that suits your specific needs. Renters Insurance. If you're a host who rents your property rather than owning it, you should consider requiring your guests to have their own renter's insurance. Renter's insurance provides protection for guests' personal belongings and can cover them in the event of theft or damage during their stay. While it doesn't directly protect hosts, it can prevent guests from making claims against the host's insurance policy for their personal property losses. It's a good practice to include a requirement for guests to have renter's insurance in your listing's house rules. While not all guests may comply, this simple step can help protect both hosts and guests. Additional coverage for unique situations. In some cases, you may need additional insurance coverage based on the specific circumstances of your Airbnb rental. For example, if you have a swimming pool or a hot tub on your property, you might want to consider purchasing additional liability coverage for these amenities. Similarly, if you provide any kind of recreational equipment, like bicycles or kayaks, you may need specialized coverage for potential accidents related to those items. Additionally, if you have multiple properties listed on Airbnb, you may want to explore options for a master insurance policy that covers all your rental properties, simplifying the insurance process. Conclusion. Insurance is a critical aspect of being an Airbnb host, and the type of coverage you need can vary depending on your unique circumstances. The baseline protection provided by Airbnb's host guarantee is a good start, but it should not be relied upon as your sole source of insurance. To fully protect your property and your financial well-being, consider additional coverage like liability insurance, property insurance, commercial host insurance, and any other specialized coverage that your specific situation requires. Before making any decisions, consult with insurance professionals to ensure you have the right coverage in place. Keep in mind that insurance needs can change over time, so regularly review your policies to make sure they are still adequate for your Airbnb hosting activities. By taking a proactive approach to insurance, you can host with confidence and ensure that both you and your guests are protected.